if doctor asks a sleep coordinator, hey, I got this laptop for you. I'd like
Mhm,
you to take it home and follow up with leads, whatever they're asking you to do.
mhm.
How do you personally, because I know you have kids, you got a
Yeah.
family, how do you manage that?
So generally, I give myself for sure at least an hour every night when I get home. Now, obviously, I know not everybody has the same lifestyle as me, right? Like I have my husband that I can rely on. So it's kind of like, hey, this is my 1 hour. You
Mm,
take bath time tonight. This is what we're gonna do. But pretty much I designate at least an hour. Obviously, sometimes it takes less than that. Sometimes it's a
yeah,
little bit more because managing the portal and managing Facebook, and then even sometimes, just bringing home tasks that I want to get done that I wasn't able to do but I wanted to get home type of deal. To be honest with you, I just make it work. I know that that's not really a great answer, but it makes the workflow so much easier and so much smoother. And honestly, like I said, I know that it looks good and is beneficial to the patients. So honestly, that's kind of what we're all here for, as cheesy as that sounds.